What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my first ever video on YouTube. It happens to be a review of the Definitive Technology BP10s. I just haven't really found any videos on YouTube that were really helpful, so this is more of a sound demo, and just wanted to share my experience. I absolutely love these speakers. I got them for 150 bucks on Craigslist, which is nuts for the pair. Again, for the pair. I've had plenty of other speakers, and I mean, these really are amazing. I mean, they play down to 20 hertz. I don't even know how they do that. I mean, there's 6-inch drivers on the front and 6-inch drivers on the back, along with a tweeter in the front and tweeter in the back. So they're bipole speakers, but I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they sound this good. I mean, they fill my huge room, our huge living room. I am running them off of a Onkyo TX-NR838. The pre-outs of that going into an ADCOM GFA-5500, which is, I believe, 200 watts a channel. And what you're hearing, or what you're going to hear, is just pure audio. No sub, and it's absolutely full range and amazing. For the price, I don't think you can beat these. I mean, granted, I do have it hooked up to a relatively expensive amp and a relatively expensive receiver, but I mean, they just sound amazing. You're gonna hear some reference audio in there of me talking, basically saying the same thing. It's just for reference audio, so you can see how loud I'm playing it and what it's picking up. I'll probably shorten that part down just to use it literally as a reference. But other than that, let's go for it. Let's test them out. Again, these are the deftechs, or Definitive Technology BP10s, and this is my sound demo and my first YouTube video. Thanks for listening, guys, and if you guys want me to do some more of these, leave a comment, talk shit, I don't care. Let's do it. Using my voice as reference audio so you can see exactly how loud these speakers actually are and how loud I'm playing them.
I'm tired of these rules they That's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at this beautiful.
In your heart I'm left behind, like a shadow in the dark, ready to unwind. Someone please help me now to ease all the pain inside. 'Cause I'm going alone when the love is gone, to a place I belong, where it feels like home. And when the feeling's lost and the roads are crossed, I could only be here, where it feels like home. I saw the stars within your eyes a year ago, and the sight won't leave. Just a smile and I am down below, and I try to breathe. Call you 7:22 a.m. Love the tone of your voice in the morning. I'm falling in love with you.
In a grove by the river, there's a willow tree where we used to meet up, my baby and me. It's such a long time ago that I kissed you on that swing. Now I don't know about you, but I remember everything. Oh, I'm walking on air. Whenever you are here with me. Oh, I'm walking on air. Been a long time coming, but finally, how the evening light and the long shadows fell. Going.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down. So take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away. I ain't afraid, calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer.
Laying down my cards on the table, sending out a message in a bottle. Came in through the door like a hurricane, and I hope you won't get if your cold curtains swept me of mine. I'm losing my cool when I'm here right next to you. I'm losing my cool. Yeah, I'm losing my cool when I'm under your control. I'm losing my cool. Yeah. remember about you, babe. If this is what all lovers do, I'll find another way. The way I fell in love with you is far from me today. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I'm never saving you. Save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, call me anytime that you need a
All right, that's my first video. That is the end of the BP10 review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you can tell and get some information about these speakers from the recording, although it not being exactly the same as being there. I hope it's as close as I could make it for you. It included all the room acoustics and all that. So if you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and post it up for me so I can answer them. And I do plan on making a lot of other videos. I do a lot of other things. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.